What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we are checking out the free for the month assets of this month of October. We have amazing assets, so let's go ahead and check them out. So first of all, we have the Gladiator Arena environment kit. And if you're trying to create a type of coliseum or battle arena in the Roman times, this is perfect for you. Like, the quality of these assets are incredible. So definitely for, some fighting or battle games, this can be very useful. So definitely check it out. Using all PVR and latest materials, high quality assets. So definitely put this into your library. Next up, we have the Dreamscape stylized environment tower. And wow, if you're trying to make a stylized world with cartoon graphics and the field with forests and just kind of castle ruins, this can be perfect for you. So definitely check this one out. I love how it looks. So if you're trying to make a kind of cartoon game, this is perfect. Next up, we got the NPC optimizer, and basically if you want to have a lot of AIs in your world running around, this might be very handy. Now the thing is that right now with Unreal Engine 5 we do have the new experimental mass plugin, okay, which is the one that the Matrix demo uses for all the civilian AIs and so on. But as an alternative, well, you have this free asset pack that you can check it out. It's pretty much easy to set up. It's a component, so give this a go. Alright, next up we have the EP master materials, and wow, these materials look awesome. I'm just gonna say that, like, this packs comes with a lot of different materials to add into your world that honestly use PBR textures and high quality and displacements and everything that you need to make amazing materials, honestly, as you can see how it is like affecting the world. So definitely a must do will be to put it into the library to have it, because this looks really cool. So yeah, check this one out too. And last but not least, we have the Deep Elder Caves. This one is one of my favorite ones. Like, this one just looks like straight up they got it from Ark Survival Evolved, the Aberration DLC. Like, just imagine a game in this environment. Like, wow, if you're trying to make a game, you're in a cave with this kind of alien exotic foliage and kind of mystery style, this is perfect for you. Like, just imagine like a Gears of War in here. Like, definitely this one 100%. If you haven't got it, go ahead and add it into your library right now. It's totally free for the whole of October 2023, so make sure to get it right now. Alright, so that's it. If you found the video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so check them out. Check out my Patreon and YouTube members, join my Discord server, follow me on my socials. And now, yes, with all said, bye bye.